It's raining cats and dogs. And these poor little chicks, these poor little pucks are soaking wet. It's been raining like just awful. And I feel so sorry for them. I put some food out when it was dry here and now it's all soaked. And their poor little food containers are all full of water. Oh, here's the other one. She's smart. She's in here. Yeah, there you are. And then we have, well, hello. And then we have Madame Cluxalot, who is broody, and she's broody as hell. She is just, will do nothing but sit on the, leave me alone, leave me alone. And she hasn't laid an egg because all she does is sit there now. It's not very good, and I'm not sure what to do about that, so I'm going to contact where we got them from and see if she has any ideas. And this, look how wet you are. Yeah. Poor thing.